Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. We don't usually use stative verbs in the present continuous tense. Does your sister belong to a sailing club? Other stative verbs. Believe. He doesn't believe that I have got 6 brothers and sisters. Belong. That van belongs to my brother. Prefer. He prefers pop music while his sisters prefer rock music. Remember. I remember you. You're Jan's friend. No. Do you know when we are going to Aunt Linda? Understand. They don't understand why their mother is so upset.